Our ʻōlelo ho, or new word today, is kapu. Say that with me. A'oia. Kapu. Maika'i. And kapu can mean forbidden, prohibited. It can even mean sacred or holy. And it depends in which way you use it. So traditionally, when we were in ceremony, we had a period of kapu. Things were to be done a certain way and honored in that way. And sometimes you'll go to private properties and you'll see a sign that says kapu. So it's letting you know that that place is sacred and special to them, and it's prohibited to the outside. So there's many different layers of the meaning of kapu. Let's say that one more time. Kapu. Maika'i. Ahui ho.